again. Thank you for purchasing my Oh Baby Bear SVG file. This is just a quick video on how to use it and some helpful tips. So once you have downloaded the file, what you want to do is import it into Cricut's design space. Start a new project, upload image. Okay, so once you have it in your design space, it will automatically group them together. The first thing that I want to do is make sure that my bears and my flags are the exact same size. So I'm just going to double check that this all fits in the paper that I'm going to use. The paper that I'm using is an 8.5 by 11 in landscape mode, which is 27.94 by 21.59 centimeters. I'm just gonna make this into white and send it to back so that I can see clearly. The first thing I want to make sure is that the flags fit in my paper that I'm using. So I am going to quickly adjust and make sure that this fits. Okay, so you can go however big or small that you want. I think this is a good size. And you can adjust the bears however big or small you want. For me, I wanted the flags to be slightly bigger than my teddy bears. The bears will be slightly smaller, but all of them are now adjusted accordingly to my paper size. Once I have that, I am going to ungroup everything. So now these are kind of individual. And for these Oh Baby signs, I'm going to just quickly group them together so that when I go and cut them, it will all be grouped into one. Otherwise, the inner pieces are going to be separate, and then it gets harder when you have a more intricate design. So and there you go. Now you can go and make it. And I've already grouped them by different colors, so it should separate by its color. Another thing is I realized that maybe Oh Baby is not what everyone wants, so I just included the rest of the alphabet in case you wanted to spell their names or write something else. You would just go in and cut however many letters you'll need, and so that you can really customize the scene. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you once again.